Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, you're highly welcome. If you're an OG, hi, hello, welcome back. So today I'm going straight to the face, not talking. So I'm going in with Pierce for my moisturizer and applying it on a clean face. So for primer, I'm using the Pond's Lasting Oil Primer. I produce oil. I have very oily face. So I pack this in on my nose, my forehead, my chin too. I apply it all over my face. So for foundation, I'm using the V Beauty foundation and I'm applying this using a damp beauty sponge, and I'm applying this using a dabbing motion. I dab, and guys, please take your time. Makeup is blending. You have to blend it, and don't forget to blend in your neck too. So for my concealer, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And applying this underneath my eyes. The bridge of my nose and my forehead. So I let the concealer sit in for some time so that it will get tacky. Then I still blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. I just dab it in to that place I apply. I don't want to drag it all over the face. No dragging all over the face, guys. So I usually blend, okay, not always. I blend underneath my eyes, then the bridge of my nose. So for an everyday look, I'm going in with the Flawless Ivy lip palette. So I'm using that shade for my blush. For my everyday nude, I don't go in with a contour. I use the blush like my contour to add color to my face and to use it to define my face too. So guys, on this step, to take your time to blend. So to set all the places I highlighted, I'm using the Flawless Ivy setting powder and I'm setting it in immediately. I am not baking so that it will avoid creasing. Since this is an everyday look, I'll use this to go under the sun to do all those things that will sweat. So I just set it in. I don't bake. So I'll go in with the eyes now. I'll go to do my brows. Now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. No. I'm using the Davis number 3 eye pencil to line my brows and fill it in. I think I've said LA Girl Pro Conceal too much. That's why LA Girl Pro Conceal came. So for my outer brow, I'm drawing Hairlight Trans so that it will appear more natural. So now comes the LA Girl Pro Conceal to define my brows. What's wrong with me today? So after that, I will just apply so that I'll use it as my eyeshadow base immediately. But since this is an everyday look, we don't want to spend all day doing makeup. So this one is always fast and swift. So I'll still set it with the Flawless Ivy. And I'll brush out the excess. So for my powder palette, I'm using the Flawless again. I'm using that shade for my contour, for my nose contour, since I'm contouring just my nose this time. And I'm dragging this nose contour to my eyelid so that it will give my eyes definition, since I won't be applying too much shadow. So I'm going with that color to give my eyes depth. I'm just applying it on the crease of my eyes to give it depth. We don't want nothing shouty since it's an everyday look, you know. So I'm going in with this powder to set the rest of my face. Even the areas I had set everywhere, my neck too. So I'm going in with this black gel to line my eyes. And this, I do this so that, you know, when you're applying lashes, if you don't line your eyes, that lash with your false lash, you see that gap between them. So when you do this, it prevents that gap. So to line my waterline, I'm going in with this white liner. To tone it down, I'm going in with this brown shade with this precise brush to tone that white liner down because it was looking too white. And this, guys, this step is actually very important. You have to set your face with a setting spray. Set your face because this step really helps. And this one is actually optional because I do people makeup. It's not everybody that likes this, so if you don't like it, skip this part. Then I highlight the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. I don't do this every time, but I do it when I feel like it. So I'm lining my lips now with the Davis number 3 eye pencil. And guys, after lining, please blend. Even though you don't see it on cam, we stay and blend. See, you see that line is no longer there. We blend it, make sure everything is blended. Then I apply that shade, almost my lip shade. I didn't apply gloss because I will eat, I will talk, like, you know, gloss transfers, right? So I don't apply gloss. So guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give your girl a big thumbs up if you like the video, and I'd like to hear your feedback too. Until the next video, bye.